Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the NFT3 Airdrop. This is your web identity. This is a project in some aspects similar like Gitcoin Passport, but in others it's a little different, more focused on Metaverse and identity in Web3. So we are going to cover a little bit about the project and why I like the proposal that they have, especially because of the team members, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to participate. This is much easier than with Gitcoin Passport, so it's really easy to enter. You just need your wallet and your Twitter. And remember that we have my subscriptions in my webpage if you want to join the Discord channel of Cryptocurrency State, or if you want to get access to my application that will allow you to register airdrops really easy. You can see how it works here in this video. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, this is the website of NFT3.com. Actually, the domain already is worth a lot, so that gives me a little of confidence of the money that the project could have. NFT3 is powered by Data, so data.com. This is actually the project behind NFT3, and they develop a lot of different projects. One of them is Kylin, maybe you are familiar with that one, or maybe with Ruby. The other projects, I really don't know it, but you can see that they are developing many projects on the crypto space. NFT3, you can search here on the website. There are many explanations on how this works, but basically it will be for having your identity here into the different things of Web3. And like they call themselves, NFT3 is the first unified decentralized identity and credit network for Web3 and your portal to the Metaverse. NFT3's decentralized identities, named ISME, are a direct monetization path for individuals to associate value on their terms, without various aspects of their data journeys through life with different projects, individuals, social networks, companies, and institutions. Your NFT3 acts as a unified identity across all Web3 application layers and a pathway toward enabling personal monetization. What I really like it for what I saw is about the team. Dylan is one of the leaders here, and I already see this guy in many other projects, actually in conferences too. You can search here. Not many projects have the team members with the LinkedIn link here to check. So I really like the transparency on that. And you can see, for example, that Dylan has more than 10 years of experience in the crypto space, founding and co-founding many of the companies that data.com has shown in the profile. So I am a little confident of this project basically because of the team. Also the experience of Shashwat. He also has been a lead in many fields on an advisor, like you can see, in many protocols and projects on the crypto space. So the team is what I really like on this. You are going to see a couple of things about the project that I don't like. For example, I think the community is really small. I didn't like it, the Discord. I'm going to show you that. And I couldn't find any tokenomics about this project. So we are going to get an airdrop for this, but I cannot really tell you if this is going to worth it or not. We already have a couple of bad experience with Lennon, for example, or Plenty even. Projects that I cover for the airdrop and the distribution already happened. You can see here that Lennon and Plenty already did the distribution. You can check that in the discourse of the official pages or in my Discord. If you are in the subscription, we already commented and talked about how to get this distribution. So if you don't want to miss any distribution, you need to subscribe here to my Discord, and I recommend you to use the app here. Here in my Discord, there are many people working with multiple wallets and getting a lot of traction on airdrops. So let's do that together there. And the airdrop organizer is free. This link is in the description, where you can see the status of all the airdrops that I have been doing, the links for my YouTube page, and the link for the step-by-step. So if this is your first time, you need to go to this page and start doing these airdrops. So going to the step-by-step, This is really quick and straight for the point. Like always, follow them on Twitter and join the Discord. The Discord, like I mentioned, I have been put some questions there. I didn't have any answer really, but the channel is really, there are only a couple of channels. I cannot see the announcements of the history of the announcements, so I think it's lagging a little bit there. In the Twitter, you can see that it's only 13k followers, so it's really a small project at this time. After you join and follow Twitter and Discord, then you need to continue with step 3. You need to go to ISME, and please use my referral link. That will help me also for the airdrop. So go to this link for the ISME website, and once you are there, here you can see I am already logged in. My identity is cryptocurrency state.isme. So you can search me here on the Explorer. So if you go to the Explorer, you are going to see all the different people that is showing here and the amount of followers. This is kind of the social media status. So you can follow people and you can be followed. So if you are in my Discord, for sure we are going to follow each other there and see and continue seeing this. But going back to the homepage, you go here and you click on create. You can see that says did created because I already have the account, but if it's your first time, you are going to be able to create the account. So click there. Once you click that, you can go and see that you will have this pop-up. First, you need to sign with your wallet and click sign 2 times. After that, you are going to see this. So you see your wallet here and you need to enter your ID name. It could be any name that you want, but it should be, of course, free to use. And it will be .isme. Put some bio and some URL if you have some anything, maybe your Instagram or your Twitter account even. And click on create account. That will be all for creating the account. So after you create the account, you already did step 3 and actually step 4 where you put your name, bio and URL. So now step 5, once you create the account, you go to edit profile and you need to verify the account with your Twitter. So you will need to post a tweet there. But basically when you go to edit your account, here you can see that I have my Twitter account already for this ID. But in your case, you are going to see a button that you need to click that says verify. And if I go to the official documentation that I will put the link on the description for that, you can see also this step by step. So here you can see that in your profile, you will see the verify button. Once you click that, you need to put your account here of your Twitter account and click on make a tweet. This will put this tweet of your NFT3 sign. And when you tweet that, you will be verified. And according to the documentation here of how to claim and register for the rewards of this airdrop, verifying on Twitter is how you max out the ISME airdrop that you can claim. So after you create your account, you need to verify it on Twitter. And in terms of the creation, guys, that is all. Now you officially own a DID account representing your autonomous identity in the NFT3 network. So that will be all. According to the documentation, doing that, you already participate to having the airdrop of the token. This is not 100% transparent for me because, like I say, I couldn't find any information about the tokenomics. But I will be keeping an eye on this and posting everything in Discord, so show me in Discord. And the next step is that you can invite friends if you want, so you can go and get your refer link here. I will put the link there for your refer program. So with the refer program, you also can, besides getting the airdrop of your creation, you can boost your rewards referring people to the link. So that will be step 6. And if you are in my Discord, we are going to do this invite stuff so everyone can invite some people and boost the rewards. So we may do that in the Discord too. So join us in Discord if you want some help there. We have been following each other in Twitter also, guys. So it's really a very nice community that we are creating in the Discord. And finally, the step 7 is search people and follow them, and you get followed back on there. So you can follow me in cryptocurrency state in the Explorer. Like I say, you go here to the Explorer section and you can search me. So you can search my profile there and you can follow me. I just created yesterday, so I am really new on this, like you will be today. So guys, that is all for this video. Very quick, directly to the point. Like I say, I like the team. This is my major point of why I applied to this. I think the idea is cool. I think Gitcoin Passport is not going to be the only real thing to identify people or companies or individuals or anything in the Web3. So these kind of projects could really go well in the future. To that work, first you need capital. I couldn't find information about that on these companies, but you need capital and a good team. And that is what I like it for this project most. Then you need to build a community. At this point, it's not the best thing right now, but this could grow up. And the tokenomics, I'm still waiting answer on that. And if I get any answer, you will see it in the Discord channel. So we are going to continue doing coverage of this project. But right now it's really easy. You don't need to do recurrent tasks. So right now, if you create your account there, at least you are already participating on part of the airdrop. Again, we don't know how many tokens, we don't know the max supply or anything. So maybe worth really little right now, or maybe it will be a nice airdrop. But for now, just creating the account you are participating, and you can forget about it if you don't want to invite people there. So at least it's easy to do. You only need your wallet and your Twitter account, so you are not really exposed there. You don't need KYC or anything like that. So guys, again, remember to go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. Check my video on how my app works. I already did updates on the app actually, based on the feedback that I get in the Discord channel of my application. So we are entering new features into the app. There are more things already than that you can see in this video, and I launched it on January 1st. So we already passed 20 days and we have new features on the app. So I'm really happy about the app, guys. Go there, check everything, check the airdrop organizer to see other airdrops. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.